This is Capsicum Chickpea Pulao. It's a simple one-pot recipe we keep coming back to on busy days when we want an easy lunch without spending too much time in the kitchen. It's comforting, hearty, packed with flavor, and honestly one of those meals that never disappoints. Let's get started. First, we need about 2 cups of rice. Any fragrant variety works well here. I'm using jeera sambar, but basmati is a great option too. Give it a good wash and set it aside. Now for the vegetables. We need 2 green capsicums cut into bite-sized square pieces. One onion sliced. One green chilli chopped. And 1 tomato chopped as well. You can make this in a pressure cooker, but I'm cooking it in a pot today. Heat a little oil, and once it's hot, add a bay leaf, 1 green cardamom, a small piece of cinnamon and 2 cloves. Let the spices sizzle for a few seconds, then add the onions and saute until they're soft and translucent. I'm adding the green chilli too. The freshness of the green chilli works really well with the capsicum. Next goes a spoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook it for a minute or 2 until the raw smell disappears. Add the tomatoes along with a pinch of turmeric and a little Kashmiri chili powder. Cook everything down until the tomatoes become soft. Now add the capsicum and give it a good mix. Then add the washed rice followed by the boiled chickpeas. I cooked these earlier, but canned chickpeas work perfectly here. You could even use another bean variety if that's what you have on hand. Mix everything well. Add water in a 2:1 ratio, that's 2 cups of water for every cup of rice. Season with salt. A small trick, when you taste the cooking water, it should taste just slightly saltier than what you'd want the final rice to be. That usually gets the seasoning spot on. Cover the pot and cook on high heat until it starts bubbling. Then reduce the heat to low and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes until all the water is absorbed and the rice is cooked through. While that cooks, let's make a quick onion raitha. Take some thick yogurt, whisk it until smooth and add salt, pepper, cumin powder and finely chopped onions. Mix well and that's it. I'm also chopping a little coriander for garnish. Once the pulao is done, fluff it gently. Sprinkle over the coriander leaves and serve it with onion raitha. This capsicum chickpea pulao is a complete comforting lunch on its own, but it can also be served alongside a curry if you're making it for guests or a weekend meal. Simple, satisfying, and one you'll probably find yourself making often. If you try it, let us know how it turns out. And for more easy, flavor-packed recipes from our kitchen, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and ta-da!